up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video. Today I'll be going over 10 outfits Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment Low. These shoes are released this month. These is gonna guarantee sell out. If you haven't seen my official review on Foot Review, definitely go check out that last video. But this video I'm just gonna be styling these Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows Fragments real quick for y'all. I'm gonna give y'all good 10 outfits, something simple, everything from the clothing, you know, description, everything gonna be all in the description below. But I'm gonna give y'all some good outfits for these, you know what I'm saying? This is style, this is a dope shoe, man. I definitely recommend y'all cop these shoes. These, I know they're gonna sell like crazy like every other Jordan 1, but Travis Scott Jordan 1, but I love these shoes. Like, these are dope. I've been wearing them crazy. But we're gonna style these, so y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button for me, hit the notification bell. Upload every week over fashion, sneaker reviews, all that good stuff. So if you're into fashion, into you in the right place. You're watching the right person. So J fam, thank y'all for rocking with me, man. We gonna hit 20K at the end of this year. I know we are. Once we do it, big upload surprise I got y'all, giveaway, all that good stuff. So thank y'all. Let's jump into it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Love y'all. Thank y'all. See you next one. Peace. Let's get it.
NT, you made this? NT, you made this? And T, you made this?